Okay, now setup basically has finished installing Windows files and drivers and somewhat. Now it's giving you this message to improve the performance. And it's going to bring Windows to a lower video resolution. If this is okay, we're going to select yes. Okay, so now we're at the Welcome to Microsoft Windows installation. Windows have basically installed on our systems. One thing I have to mention that we did not go through, and I just want to mention it now. If you're not using the OEM CD, you will get a message asking you to type in the Windows XP serial key, and that should be on the back of the box of the CD you have. The authentication certificate serial key. That's the key you use if Windows asks for it. Okay, so once you're at this screen, what you're going to do is you're going to select on next at the bottom left corner here. Okay, Windows is asking if we want to turn on automatic updates now. I always say right now, because I like to configure automatic updates later in the settings, and I always select notify me before downloading any updates. So right now I'm going to select no, but it's good to have Windows XP looking for updates. You're going to select next here. Then it's asking you about the different users that will use this computer. So for the first user, I'm just going to select user. This is just for this video tutorial. Then we're going to select next. Then it says congratulations, you're ready to go, and it thanks you. You select finish. Then you see Windows XP loading up for the first time. A lot of you will get the welcome window asking you if you want to go on the Windows XP tour. And this is the first screen you see with XP. Now these are things you're going to notice. It's telling you your computer might be at risk. Automatically, that's Windows security in this bottom window here. And that's because we have automatic updates not set up. We also don't have an antivirus, and the firewall should automatically be turned on. But we'll get to those things in future tutorials. You also see here, this is to take a tour of Windows XP. You see that option here. I'm just going to cancel that. It's to beyond the scope of this video. Okay, now when you see here, you can tell that Windows XP is missing some drivers. Now we don't know exactly what XP is missing, so right after I install Windows XP or any Windows operating system, the first thing I do is go to Device Manager and check out what drivers Windows didn't pick up. And we're going to go through that process now. You're going to select on Start, then you're going to go to My Computer, and you're going to select on Performance and Maintenance, System, and then Hardware for Device Manager. I'm also going to show another way to get to Device Manager. In the simplest way, you select on Start, you're going to right click My Computer and go to Properties. That's going to bring you to the System Properties box. You're going to select on Hardware and then Device Manager. And everything you see here in the yellow question marks are drivers that Windows don't have to certain devices that's on your system. And we're going to have future tutorials to show you how to install these device drivers or what have you. Okay, so that just about does it for this tutorial. Just showed you how to install Windows XP. It's a pretty simple task. If you're a technician, it's something you definitely need to get used to. Learn how to customize the XP installation and do different things with it. And if you just want to reinstall XP on your system because the antiviruses just sent it out of whack, no matter how many antivirus you have, or you just want to start over, which is good to do every now and then. I try it myself, but I hope this tutorial was informative for you. For more great tutorials, just visit us online at www.nfixitonline.com. That's nfixitonline.com. Thanks.